Why should a company use the Raptorium blockchain to verify a product's genuine status as opposed to the ways they currently do it? I think having verification data published on chain and accessible via like a QR code in an asset will essentially cost a fraction of current alternate methods. I think another thing to mention is that current systems are open to manipulation and fraud, being on a centralized database. So the blockchain is an ideal solution. Couple this with our upcoming contracting in Java and Python, using the distributed application umbrella of Apache Spark. It will give automations to these assets that fit in with their current systems. I think I'll take the next one as well.
Yeah.
Why would a company... What's up?
Go.
Yeah, I thought you was going to say something.
No.
Next one is, why would a company choose the Raptorium chain to do this rather than another EVM-based mainstream blockchain that is already out there? I assume that's a continuation from the last thing. The last question is probably the same guy. Because Raptorium assets are UTXO based, meaning that the majority of functions required by EVM or Ethereum based Solidity chains are possible on the main chain of Raptorium. The key benefit of this is something that has always been very high on our development goals, and that is simply security. As we've seen for many years now, EVM based chains are open to rugs and exploits and many issues. Now, if you are providing a genuine verification and you want to be sure that the system is robust and not open to abuse, what would you choose? An EVM system that has proven to be flawed and where investors have lost millions and millions of dollars time and time again every single year, or a chain that is super cheap, very quick, and more importantly, secure? I know what I would choose.
Yeah.